So right now, excuse the mess. I'm doing a short shifter swap. This is the Mr2 Heaven 5-in-1 hybrid short shifter. I forget the names of what it is, but I know it's a TRD. It's the Mr2 Heaven low profile and I think high profile, and it also has the 93 plus OEM short shifter throws and stuff like that. I'm taking this piece off right now. I already got the shifter cables already taken off. So I'm gonna now put this up here. See if that's a good angle. Not too sure. Now we can get started on this. This is a aftermarket race car X. I don't know if it's like a plate, shifter plate, I believe it's called. It came with the car. This is the first time me removing it, so hopefully it's not too bad putting it back on. Hoping. Seems pretty straightforward. Just 4 bolts. This whole thing is one assembly. This right here is for the actual shifter itself, but it's easier to have it be removed while this whole thing is out. So I'm gonna take it apart and move it over to like a workstation kind of thing that I got going on. I think hopefully just comes right out, and there it is. This is the whole thing. I'm gonna clean up in here, get it nice and good. That way I don't have to deal with the mess. This is pretty dirty. It gets pretty dirty pretty quickly, I would want to say, just because I've been here. But damn, the green under here looks so good. I wish they would have kept the same color, but unfortunately, you know, people do what they gotta do. Oh, shit. All right. So we got everything good. Everything is nice and cleaned. Here's the short shifter installed, new bushings and everything. I wonder if I have to take this off because I need to put everything else back together. So I'm going to throw this bitch in here. Oh. There we go. There we go. Now we need the bolts. But yeah, so the setting that I'm going for is gonna be the TRD, just because it's like really good on the throws, not too hard on the cables. I mean, I'm pretty sure they dialed it down to where they don't fuck up the cables, but for now I think I might go for this for a little bit and then switch it over to the C's. Low key, I don't want to do the C's just because I feel like everybody does it, and I just want to be low key, want to be different. But I mean, shit, there's a reason why everybody goes for it. But you know, these are pretty quick throws compared to what it was. So gonna enjoy it. Gonna enjoy this shit. Fuck. Okay. Video keeps cutting out. Hopefully I can get this. Like I was saying, I'm really excited for tomorrow, even though Monday is my birthday. My girlfriend she bought me a lot of stuff, but my girlfriend bought me the stereo that I really wanted for the car because I have this janky setup right now and it's kind of bothering me, but she went and bought it for me, which is really nice of her. And so I'm excited for that tomorrow, and also excited for all of the stuff she's gonna get me. But right now, this is pretty cool. Kind of tough on it a little bit. Maybe if I push the clutch in, maybe that'll help it. first gear, second gear, third gear, fourth, fifth. Oh, it's alright, I guess. Oh, it's kind of difficult to get off. Let's try the, I believe this is the C's. If I could get it to go fucking in. There we go. That's in right. So, first gear, second gear, third gear, fourth, fifth, and reverse. The throws are, you know, still pretty long from what it used to be. I guess it's not as long, but so this is like first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and then reverse. I see what they did though. The throws are long for the top gears, but they're short for the second. So like fourth used to be like probably like back here. Yeah, like maybe like around here maybe. So now it's like, you know, you just go straight into fourth immediately, which is pretty cool. For what it is, you know. Let me try the low angle. The low angle, if I can get this bitch in there. It's kind of a fucking struggle. But it is new, so that's to be expected. It's like a tight fit. There we go. It's a low angle. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and then reverse. It's smoother, for sure. Let me try the, so let me, actually I can't even look it up. But actually, yeah, let me stop the video.